You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hello and welcome to Lucky Mini Food.
Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to make something that Audrey really loves.
I do.
Chick-fil-A chicken sandwiches. Now, what are we going to actually do today?
Yep, we are going to be making the original and the deluxe.
So, Audrey, what is the difference between the original and the deluxe?
Well, the original is just a chicken on a bun with pickles, and the deluxe has lettuce, tomato, and cheese.
All right, so when we come back, we're going to get started marinating our chicken.
All right, so to start off our chicken sandwiches, I'm going to be pounding the chicken. Now, what does pounding the chicken do?
Well,
Exactly.
it actually makes it a little thinner, so it cooks more evenly and slightly tenderizes it.
Okay. Alrighty, so now I'm going to marinate the chicken in milk and pickle juice. Okay, we're just going to let this sit for 20 minutes. We're back and the chicken is ready, so I'm going to get the pan ready. And crack some eggs for our batter.
Good luck, Audrey.
Yes, these quail eggs are a little difficult. That was pretty well though. We're going to do 2 quail eggs.
Nice nails, by the way.
Thank you. I'm going to mix them. And I'll add it to the milk. And mix that.
All right, so when we come back then, we're gonna start our chicken batter and get those in the pan.
Time to bread the chicken, so we're gonna go wet to dry and wet to dry, and then in the pan. While Dad finishes up the chicken, I'm going to cut the pickles and tomatoes.
Alright, how's that chicken going? Almost done?
It is going great. These are the last 2 pieces.
Okay, Audrey pre-made these rolls so we were ready for our chicken sandwiches. I'll get them to that point. Alright, so we're about ready to head over to the tasting table?
Yep.
Let's head over. Alright, Audrey, we made it to the tasting table.
We sure have, and I'm really excited.
Okay, so you're not much in the tomatoes.
I do not like tomatoes on my sandwiches.
So you're going to do the regular, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so take care of your pickles. I will make sure our guest has their sandwich.
I like extra pickles on my sandwich.
Okay. So why don't you, take care of our guest first always, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'll do the deluxe one. We'll give our guest a regular.
Okay, just the original.
Mm-hmm. Here, hand me the pickles. I'll pickle mine up. And you can get your chicken set. Now, we've made our Chick-fil-A sauce before, so
Yes.
we didn't show that to you.
Here's the chicken.
Ooh, that looks good. Okay, go ahead. This.
I'm gonna give everyone this piece. Tell me when you're ready for your chicken.
I'm ready. You're gonna have to pile it on there and I'm gonna have to push it down. Go for it. Ooh, sorry. Perfect.
Tomato's kind of slipping, but
Hey, I'm just gonna shovel it all in anyway. Okay, so that is that. So when you're done, hold yours up so everybody can
I'm
see.
gonna take some Chick-fil-A sauce on the bun.
Smells good. Let's get this out of here. Okay, so hold
Okay.
yours up and give everybody a good look at yours.
This is what mine looks like.
Nice. And here's mine. Ready to munch. Are you set?
I am
Here
set.
we go.
Mmm.
Chicken is tender, juicy, cooked perfect.
I really like it.
You did a good job on that.
You
I almost
too.
want to dip it right into the little sauce container. Ooh, I lost a pickle and a tomato. Very nice, my dear.
Thank you. I think that turned out really well.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. And until we see you next time, happy eating.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a Lucky Penny,
Pick it up.